6Bio has been developed by an Indian team of researchers who believe it can improve the treatment of autism spectrum disorder, ASD. In a preclinical mouse model, they were able to determine the compound's potency. It's the first time a drug has been shown to have the potential to help patients with ASD/intellectual disability perform daily activities like learning and remembering new tasks, ID. As a society, we are dealing with a massive problem in autism spectrum disorder, ASD. ASD/ID cannot be treated with a pharmacological or genetic approach that is appropriate. To treat ASD/ID, current therapeutics focus on alleviating symptoms such as epileptic seizures or sleep issues, but do not address the underlying causes of the disorder. In the search for better treatments for ASD, the drug's potency must be high enough to enable the patients to perform their daily activities with the same level of efficiency as a healthy person would. After a certain age, achieving this goal becomes increasingly complex, especially after the middle of childhood. A preclinical mouse model called SYNGAP1+ has been used to demonstrate the potential of 6Bio to treat ASD/intellectual disability, ID, in the current study. Research published in Experimental Brain Research shows that the administration of 6Bio restores neuronal function, learning and memory, and reduces epileptic seizures in SYNGAP1+ mice by using behavioral and electrophysiology techniques. This study identified 6Bio synthesized in GexaBio and found that it restores neuronal function, learning and memory, sociability and reduces epileptic seizures. After the mid-childhood period, 7 to 11 years, when most of the brain's regions are considered to have adequately formed, 6Bio restored neural functions. This is a novel finding from this study. Previous research has linked ASD/ID to a lack of neuronal connections in the brain's early stages of development, i.e., baby/childhood. Patients with ASD/ID have abnormal brain development, making it difficult to process information and comprehend simple tasks. The Gexa team has shown that 6Bio can restore information processing in the preclinical mouse model through electrophysiology and behavioral experiments. As a result, 6Bio has a lot of potential as a treatment for ASD and ID. Dr. James Clement's lab at Gexa conducted all of the behavioral and electrophysiology research.